Cleaning the upper or lower dentures. This skill is used for patients with either an upper or a lower denture. It promotes good oral hygiene. If performed incorrectly or infrequently, it can cause oral infection, weight loss due to loss of appetite, and also loss of patient dignity. You will have 5 minutes to complete this skill. You will need either an upper or a lower denture, a denture cup, an emesis basin, toothbrush, toothpaste, 1 paper towel for the sink, and 2 to 3 paper towels for the counter, and a pair of gloves.
Okay, now we're going to demonstrate denture care. For state, you only need to simulate hand washing, so we wash hands, and then we put our barriers down. We have 2 on the sink. Just kind of overlap them a little bit, and then we have 1 in the sink. In all actuality, when you're doing this as a real procedure with a resident, you'd have a towel there and acts as a cushion. So if you drop the dentures on accident, it doesn't hit the sink. So we wash hands, we place our barriers, and we put on gloves. And then we grab our supplies, which is our basin with the toothbrush and toothpaste, and our denture cup with the denture, an upper or a lower denture. For our purposes, we're going to use an upper denture. Okay, so now we take a paper towel, because the faucet is contaminated, and we turn the water on. And this, along with the barrier in the sink, acts as a cushion in case you drop the dentures. Okay, let's throw that away. Now we want to rinse. So we're going to divide this paper towel up into 3 sections. The first is where we place everything. The second is where we place the rinsed items. So rinse the lid, we rinse the dentures, put the dentures on top of the lid, it's okay. We rinse the cup twice. Go ahead and fill it with water. You want the water to be tepid, not too hot. Just a little below full, just above halfway. You want to wet the toothbrush. A little bit of toothpaste on there. Always wet the toothbrush before the toothpaste. Toothpaste goes back into the basin. Now we brush over the sink so we have the water. So we brush down all around, then we come back and we go in circles. The circles get the teeth and the gums. Flip it over, brush out, back side of the teeth. And then we brush in circular motions, get them nice and clean. Now we want to clean all the pink parts. Make sure we get the crevices. Very important. Now we rinse the toothbrush, put it back into the basin. Now we rinse the dentures. Put those into the cup, place the lid on it. It goes into the second section. Now we throw away the paper towel. We rinse the cup, the basin twice. We pat it dry. Holding the toothbrush and the toothbrush paste in your hand, don't set those down. Now we get a clean paper towel. Place that in, toothbrush and toothpaste there. Make sure the bottoms are nice and dry. Put them in their designated area. We get rid of our countertop paper towels. Get rid of our sink paper towel. Squeeze all the water out. And we take these together, put them in a trash can. Please don't shake or splash. And then we remove our gloves the right way. Always the right way so you don't contaminate yourself. Those in the garbage. Now we simulate washing hands. Take a clean paper towel. Turn the faucet off. Do not touch that part of the paper towel. That goes into the trash. And then we document procedure has been completed.